Hello guys, today I received this massage gun. Let me unbox it and let me show you what comes inside. Inside the carry-on bag, you're gonna get 6 different type of heads that you can make your massage gun very versatile. You're gonna get your user's manual, and you're also gonna get included a USB-A cable to Type-C. This is to recharge your massage gun. There's different types of heads. It's gonna make sure that you give a professional massage to yourself or to your loved ones. The massage gun features a powerful brushless motor that can reach speeds up to 3200 RPMs. In order to turn it on, you can go ahead and just press and hold the button. It's gonna indicate, how much charge it has, and it's also going to indicate the speed of your setting. It comes with 5 different speeds. Again, it's indicated by these blue LEDs. In order to insert your head, you're simply gonna push it in, and that's it. And to remove it, you're gonna pull it out. This massage gun definitely makes the perfect gift to your loved ones. You can rest assured that, you can give the best of the massages after your exercise or just for relaxation purposes. With the 6 replaceable heads, you can definitely massage any part of your body, including legs, arms, back, neck, and soul, and definitely any other part. And the best of all, after use, you can definitely store everything inside your carrying bag and take it everywhere. Well, I hope that the information about this massage gun was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching and see you on the next video.